Theatrical Services Manager here at SeaWorld San Diego. So this LED wall is going to be super engaging for our smaller ones that visit our park. We plan to use it for a variety of different things, for educating the public on our conservation efforts from all of our rescue teams here at the park. And then, of course, we have our own costume character show that we produced in-house, and we'll be putting that onto the public as well. So we got this 2.9mm LED wall from VIP Displays. It's been an awesome experience working with the team here. I can't say enough good things about it. It's been an awesome experience. Thank you, VIP Displays, for all you do and all you've given to us today. We're in love with the screen.